also group data. Grouping allows me to make comparisons. For example, this statement, df.group by age, and then show the column number of pets, but as a mean. So basically, if I'm unpacking this, what it's saying is, show me the average number of pets for each age. So now I'm starting to see, oh, I can make a comparison of these different things. So let's move on down here. We'll add another cell below, and we'll say df, right, group by age. And then we're going to say we want to see the number of pets. And we're going to do the mean calculations for that pets. And there it is. So for 18-year-olds, the average number of pets is 4. So if I took this now and I look at this, I can start to say, oh, there maybe there's a relationship between age and number of pets. Do people who are a certain age have more pets? I can see that 48-year-olds seem to have the most pets out of all of them, with over 6 pets per person on average, closely followed by 32-year-olds with 6.11. Oh, 22-year-olds. Listen, 22-year-olds need to settle down if they actually have that many number of pets. 22 is way too young to be taking care of 6.5 other living beings. Just saying. That's wild. I would never want to have over maybe one pet, but I don't know. I have a lot of kids, so maybe I'm just kind of burned out on taking care of things. All right, so grouping values allows you to do calculations by group. If I wanted to, I could switch this up. Here's the great thing about, again, these Jupyter notebooks allow you to come back and just sort of play with this stuff. But if I wanted to group by state instead of age, now we can see what state has the most number of pets. Okay. Uh-oh, New Mexico. New Mexico's got 7.4. That's wild. Yeah, it's pretty small. Sorry about that. Yeah, New Mexico, I think, is the winner or the loser in this fight, depending on whether you value having a lot of pets or not. I don't know. Again, we hope that some of those are fish. But grouping values allows you can start getting into, and this is not even advanced data stuff. This isn't machine learning or big data or artificial intelligence. This is just really basic, like playing around with statistics and seeing what's going on here. But data science is really like looking at data and saying what's going on here. That's, if I can encapsulate it into a simple idea, that's what data science is.